little bit, we'll go back. So we want to know like from where are you and where did you do your schooling from?
I'm from Karnataka basically. I have done my schoolings in Udupi. There is a district called Udupi. There I have completed my schoolings, and later I pursued my BE in VTU University in the Mangalore College, which is KVG, and pursued my ME in Mahe University, which is Manipal Mahe University.
Okay. And after that, like, were you working also or directly you joined the EdYoda programs?
No, actually, I took a gap of 1 year after completing my ME. I took a gap of 1 year, and again, actually, there that 1 year, I have shifted to another field, which is MSc, doing MSc in Yogic Science. Right now, I'm pursuing MSc in Yogic Science also. That is a distance. Because I thought that this is not my cup of tea, and I jumped to that field. This is what the story behind everything.
Okay, so now, like, from how long have you started working? You have started working,
Yes.
right? So how long has it been?
1 week.
Okay, so now if I ask you, like, how is it working in the tech industry?
It's good, going good. Now it's a training period. I'm learning many things. It's going good.
And like, suppose someone who still doesn't know like how is it working in tech industry, if you have to give them some advice on how is the experience of working, what will it be? What will you like to tell them?
Personally, I didn't feel so hard. Like my team is very good and they were very understanding. They are very supportive also. Like everything we are just now I'm learning just now this is my first step. I'm learning and I'm improving my skills in particular field where I'm working for a SharePoint developer. Yeah, that's for now it is going good. This is what I can say.
Now we'll move to the next round where we'll speak little bit about your experience at EdYoda. How was your journey? So how did you actually come to know about EdYoda?
One day I was sitting and thinking what to do next. At that particular time, without knowing, I have applied for the data science course or some sort of email I got. I have accepted that without knowing. By then I got a call, and I got a call from the EdYoda team, and later. I realized the importance of this, and they have made me clear with everything that this is the flow that we are going to follow.
So if I ask you like top 3 things that you liked about the program part at EdYoda, what will it be?
First thing is the teaching technique, projects they have given, and each and every day we have assigned to some of the assignments that to improve ourselves. That is what I like the most. The final thing is we have to grab. If you have that interest, if you have that hard working as well as the smart work with you, of course you can grab this and you can go forward.